Hey guys. Okay, so I am working on a backpack, a ProTeam backpack, and this is the one that have the female uh, receptacle. Okay, in this section here, this little section right here. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to identify. Now, this technique I'm showing you is going to teach you. Let's say you want to change the power switch. Okay, and you took everything apart and you're like, oh man, I totally forgot. Now I recommend you take a picture of it, but if you didn't, how can you figure out how to put all the wiring back together again? All right, that's going to be today's little lesson, so stick around and I'm going to show you exactly what to do. Okay, and all right guys, so let's take a look at what we have here. Okay, now I'm switching out this little cord right here. This is my personal thing. You can buy a whole new set, but the person I'm working with, you have like over 15 of these backpacks, and running a small business and trying to be as economical as possible. So he says, Wayne, you're pretty crafty with hacking things and trying to find ways to do it. Can you just, if it's the cord, if the cord is the problem, can you just swap this out? Well, yeah, it's the same grade cord. I'm just gonna swap it out. All right, but this is what I'm gonna show you. Okay, so this is coming from the wall. This is the main electricity coming from the wall. All right, and on these, you're going to notice there are four different prongs here four males that are sticking up. And so the one that's coming from the wall, from the actual outlet, because this is just an extension thing, you're going to plug in your little extension cord in here, and now it's going to hit your switch. Now that it hit the switch is going to tell the electricity where to go next by hitting this on and off click right here. Okay, this on and off click is going to tell the electricity where to go. So how do we communicate? Right, well, think about what you have setting up here. Let's say all of this was off. Right, it's sharing the flow with something else. Now this section is going to go towards the motor, and this section is going to go towards the floor. This is the female receptacle here, right? And then this is your ground, this is your live, and this. So what you do normally, okay, what you would end up doing is this first section right here where it says off, O, 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 all right? You're going to put your neutral and your negative here. Now, in this particular case, there's a 1. If you look at the switch, there's a 1. These are position 1, 2. Let me see what you have here. Hold on. There's more. I believe it's all. I think all of them are numbered. I believe they're all numbered. Right now I just can't see it, but I believe it's 1, 2, 3, 4. But they're all numbered. So if you notice, the neutral is aligned with the neutral on this side. Neutral, neutral, and guess what this is going to be? Neutral. And then the same thing on this side. You have the live wire, and it's going to send that live electricity down there, and it's going to also send the live electricity towards the motor. And that's really what it is. So if I was using this, I'm going to switch it out, but if I'm using this again, I would just put this here, and they'll all be on the same side. Here, okay? And put this one on this side. Here, I'm sorry you can't see me. All right, put this one on this side, and then and put this on the ground, which is this is obvious, right? Green and green. But that's it, because seeing when you open this thing and you see all these, like it's all set up. Like, let's say, let's set it up. Let's set this up here real quick. Let me see something. Let's set this up. So we're here, okay, and this guy is in here, right? Gets nuzzled, nice and snug like a bug in a rug. Let me see if it's the other way. Give me a second. Okay, So this guy's in here, right? And then this guy is sitting right here. Hold on. And then this guy is sitting right here. Okay? And then we close it up, right? And then there you go. So the moment you open this, right, you see all of this, okay? And it's like, whoa. What? And then you take it all apart, and if you're too quick with it, and then you take it all, you're like, oh my God, what do I do now? You know, where do I, you know, how do I put all these wires back together? So really, just follow that same format, and you should be good. Okay. All right. On a regular power switch. Okay. On a regular power switch. So I'll give you an example. I have another one right here. I have another one right here. Okay. And it's the same setup. It's the same setup. Okay. All right, now that's it, guys. That's a quick little understanding of how to do this. If you really the more you notice it, the more you realize how simple it is. And you're like, oh wow, yeah. But the wires can confuse people. It's intimidating to see all the wiring. I get intimidated when I first opened up a Bissell 2X and I saw the heater and the pump and the motor and the rectifier and the cylinder. I was like, oh my God. All right, so now let's take a look at what we're looking at. All right. Oh my God. So that was the first time I opened up Bissell. That was the first time, and I was like, man, I don't know if I can figure this out. And then you figure it out. All right, guys. Hey, don't forget, be sure to like and subscribe and share. Thanks for hanging out, and I hope this helped you. All right.
Yes!